Hey guys, so today I have Sonic Dash, Sonic Boom. Sonic Dash 2. Let's get on with this, shall we? Event. Shadows Run. Oh, let's see what happens. Oh, you can play as Shadow, the hedgehog? Oh, let's try it. Okay, here we go. Oh, what? He can fire? Oh, shoot. Come on. Oh! Sorry about that, yo. I didn't pause it in time. Oh. Come on. Ah, I barely got them. Go! Chaos Blast! No! Ah, I hate when that happens. We'll do that later. Oh, what's this? Not right now. Ah. Alright y'all, I'll stop this video for now. Like this video, and I got some other things to do, but I'll keep playing more of this, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And if y'all want me to play Sonic and Amy, let me know down in the comments below, and see y'all later. Peace.